the words of the champion that will leave the crown now. How are you?
I'm very well. I'm in my home race. We're in London. London's always good to me, and I'm hoping we can have the success that we've had over the years before. But yeah, a little bit of a different weekend for me compared to last year. So very relaxed, try and do my job, and I look forward to the race weekend to starting.
Mathematically, you have yet possibilities to win the championship.
Yeah, mathematically I could run for president, but it's not going to happen. So yeah, it's a decision which, you know, it's a bit of a shame that, you know, we're so far away. But I mean, as a team, we only really have one goal, which is try and finish third in the constructors. If we can do that, then I'll be very happy with the weekend.
If you had to do some synthesis of this championship, what you can say?
I mean, yeah, this year for me has been a challenge. You know, we've had some really good races, we've had some bad races. We've not had the consistency what we had in the previous year, and yeah, we've just not been good enough. So I think we need, as a team, to reflect on our weaknesses over the winter, try and come back stronger next year, and do a better job. But yeah, we roll with the punches, and we try and do the best job we can this weekend and get third.
And now, after the races, you will be in other categories, or?
Yeah, I have a couple of races with BMW in sports cars. You know, I have a race next weekend with them in the Nürburgring. So yeah, my sort of off season starts in 2 weeks, not in 5 days. So yeah, just sort of get Nürburgring out of the way, and then I have some time off and can relax. But yeah, it's a relatively busy schedule over the next few months with testing and BMW stuff. So then we do it all over again in Valencia and Sao Paulo.
But you will have a time for holidays or not?
A little one. I will go to Spain, but yeah, not as long as last year.
I will pick up you in Milan. I know that you are always there.
There's some pasta.
Bye bye. See
Thank
you
you.
and good races.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Ciao.